I'm here at the Boise River. Just had a great time skating my e-skate. I don't know if you can see it here. Electronic skateboard. And what's awesome about it is you don't have to push, you just guide and you go extremely fast, and it's a lot of fun. It's very freeing. So I'm here at the Boise River, and it made me think about the amount of traffic that happens on the internet every single second. Every second there's 68,000 searches on Google for all kinds of things, but mostly searches for information. So think of all those searches as one constant flowing river of people who need something. They primarily need information. They want to learn something, they want to learn about something, they want to get the facts about something, they want to get the details. A big percentage of those are online shoppers, of course, and many of them are looking for information about the product they're going to buy. So it's really a giant search for information. 68,000 searches, 68,000 searches, 68,000 searches every single second. It adds up to 1.2 trillion searches a year happening just on Google, and that doesn't even count any of the other search engines. So if you can position yourself, just like this river, if you can position yourself with plenty of hooks in the river, in other words, plenty of content out there that's driving people to your particular product, whether it's an information product, a digital product, a physical product, then you win, because you're able to divert some of that traffic to your product and make a bunch of money doing it. So I wanted to just share with you this morning. Today it's going to be about 105 degrees here in Boise, so I wanted to get out early and just do a run around the river on my electric skateboard and just have fun and enjoy it. I've been wanting to do it for a long time, but I finally just got out and did it. But the amazing thing is, while I was doing this, while I'm out there e-skating, my online courses and information products are selling. And that's the amazing thing, is that you could be doing anything. You could be working, playing, shopping, going to church, and your information products are still selling online because they're digital. People are finding them and they're buying them. And that's the good news about the information product business.